Let's get straight into it. 1966 Chevy Impala SS convertible. She has a carb 6-liter LS swap backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, interior nice and clean. Paint is in driver quality condition. Let's check her out. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out that dash. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a beautiful carb 6-liter LS swap backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. She's running nice and strong. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.